one side of the blade. Load it, reverse across the medium, back, and then the robot will actually rotate it around so that way it can do the opposite side of me, the blank. Yeah. Once it finishes that blank, it will then take the piece out and put it in what they consider like a finished goods or a secondary whip, and then it will be moved on to whatever the next process would be to put on a handle. Now this robot uses a counter. The counter will tell it what blade is being processed at which time. And what Dr. Hartman suggested, and that was kind of an interesting thing, is instead of using direct offsets for where the blade positions are, we have selected points in which the blades are at. And what we do is we use what they call an indirect addressing. So the counter is actually going to tell it which point that it should be picking up or not be, or discharging at each individual time. So, and then for rotation, it actually has two different position registers, because side one, when you load a blank in, the blade will be at a certain distance. But when you rotate that, because the handle rotates, you actually have to shift it slightly to maintain the same center point. They actually have two different position registers and waiting positions for the loading and unloading of each side of the blank. Originally, I wanted to have 6 blanks, and it would process all 6, but with some of the gripper issues, as you can see, I have some makeshift samples from Home Depot because the grippers won't close all the way. So I double-sided taped those on. And then even after those were put on, they were too fat, so the thickness, I had to offset the grippers themselves. So one's on the inside of where it should be, one's on the outside. So I mean, it's a pretty simple process, but it's something that'd be ideal in the manufacturing world, That one.
Is that oak?
Actually, my grandfather has a